Okay, so now let's talk about where a function is increasing and decreasing. It all has to do with, if it's increasing, it's positive slope. If it's decreasing, it's negative slope. If it's horizontal, it's constant slope, or it's the function is constant. In other words, the function values are remaining the same. The y values are remaining the same. So between A and B, it's horizontal, so constant. Between B and C, from left to right, it's going down. So that's going to be decreasing. The y values are getting smaller and smaller. The y value is -2, then -3, then -4, then negative. They're just getting smaller and smaller. It's decreasing. The slope is negative. From C to D, right in there, the function is going up because we read it from left to right, and so that's increasing. And from D to E, it's decreasing again. That's really all there is to it. Okay, there's no other shoe to drop. All right, so now we're told determine the intervals where the function is constant. And in fact, let's do constant and increasing and decreasing, just for kicks and giggles. All righty, so it's constant where the y values are constant, where the function is horizontal, from y equals negative, or x equals -1 to x equals 3. All right, so from -1 to 3, and I'm doing this in interval notation. That's cool. And it's increasing right there from -7 to -4. And from -3 to -1, because it's increasing there. And it's increasing right here from 3 to 5. And there we go. All right, and it's decreasing right there from -4 to -3. And I think that's it, actually. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. That's how we do it. Now, again, they only asked you for where it's constant, but I thought I'd, give you some extra candy there. All right, so here's a graph of a function. What a surprise. Okay, use the graph to find the following. All values at which h has a local maximum. All right, well, that's a local minimum right there. That's the lowest point in its own little neighborhood. And it turns out neighborhood actually is the technical term in mathematics. That's a high point in its own little neighborhood. So that would be a local maximum. So that local maximum occurs when x is 2. So, so x equals 2 would be the answer to A. Then B says, what is that maximum? That maximum value of the function, that local max? Well, it's going to be the corresponding y value of 1. So A is, where does it happen? The x value. B is, or part B of the problem, is what is that value? So the x value, that's where the party is. And the y value, that is the party.